Voyager 2 rocketed into space in '77 along with its twin Voyager 1, sent up by NASA to examine the planets and moons of our solar system. In the 46 years since, it has travelled 19.9 billion kilometres across the universe. So it was kind of frustrating when on July 21st, NASA flight controllers sent it a wrong command that tilted Voyager 2's antenna 2 degrees away from Earth, severing all communication.
Was it human error?
It was a bit of a mistake on our part.
Having a very weak signal already between the craft and Earth meant that if they couldn't detect the very small signals, that it could have been lost.
So to find it, NASA got on the blower to the real space pros, us.
Right now, its location in apparent sky only means it's done and possible through the 70-meter dish in Canberra.
The Deep Space Communication Complex in the ACT, operating as part of NASA's Deep Space Network, kicked into gear. And after days of silence, it picked up Voyager 2's heartbeat.
The Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex is the only station in the world actually capable of communicating with the Voyager 2 spacecraft. It's so far away, so far southward out of our solar system that our Northern Hemisphere sister stations simply can't see it because the Earth is in the way.
However, while humanity rejoices that the probe is still alive, it is not yet replying to new commands. And if Canberra can't make a breakthrough soon, all hopes of regaining control will rest on a mid-October automatic reset.
Over the next few days, our big dish is going to be sending commands off to that spacecraft, effectively shouting to the Voyager 2 spacecraft to get it to reorient itself, turn that antenna back towards the Earth.
Voyager 2 is a little mad rat. Hurtling through interstellar space at more than 55,000 k's an hour, it has discovered new moons, examined Uranus, and it's carrying a 12-inch gold-plated disc containing images to maybe one day show curious aliens. Things like maths, pregnant couples, and Peter Hellier eating a toastie. So it'd be cool if it kept on trucking.
So as it keeps going further out, this is our very rare chance at probing directly a part of the universe and space where very few have gone before and very few will go after.
Feel-good story, if ever there was one, right? They found it. Now, what's amazing, this was built in the 70s, and there's a small battery in there that's powering it, and the battery is 24 quadrillion times weaker than a current watch battery that you would...
So that's what's
a
teeny tiny watch battery.
Yeah, and it's submitting the signal from 19.9 billion kilometres away. It's fascinating.
No wonder it's not replying.
Well, yeah, it's like, how do you get it there?
Yeah.
It's too much.
Back.
And it's going to outlive us all, that's the other thing. It's built in the 70s, it'll keep going forever.
Yeah.